Oh, and then Emma said that's very scary because I also suffer from anxiety and depression, which could potentially be directly linked to your digestive issues.
Absolutely.
So if maybe this is what's great about NuSpecies is like we've always said to people is when they come to us, they feel like there's this domino effect that their body's just falling apart. But typically there's only one or two, maybe three root causes of all of those problems. And when you give your body what it needs to start to fix the root cause, it's like a domino effect in the other direction. All kinds of things start to get better. And that's why Aston's always like, hey, I'm going to send you an extra bill because you came to us for one thing and got 10 things, because that's just how the body works.
You got 10 things that got better.
Yeah. So, bad digestion is like a straight road to depression and anxiety. There could definitely be other causes, but it's definitely a factor you want to eliminate before you spend a lot of money on therapy or something else. But so for Emma, go to our shop online. You'll see we have a section for everything under $200. And then we also have an Aston starters section that goes a bit more specifically to different ways to get started. So just explore some of those options. You can really benefit from the L-Nu, the detox powder. You can start them one at a time and add them in over time, or rotate every other month, whatever's in your budget. But consistency is going to be key for you. And if you want to have a targeted start, just because you're worried, like you don't want to waste time on one product when you should be taking another, then just get on Aston's calendar so he can tell you what to do.